The months of the year in Italian: gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre. Now let's learn how to pronounce the months of the year in Italian. The first letters of the months of the year in Italian are not capitalized. Let's start with gennaio. This word has 3 syllables. Gen-na-yo. The first letter, G, is followed by the letter E. Then it will have a J sound, as in Juliet. And we have a letter I in here, followed by the letter O. Then it will have a yo sound, like in the word yogurt. So that's gennaio. Gennaio. Next, we have febbraio. This word has 3 syllables. Febbraio. Febbraio. Marzo. This word has 2 syllables. Marzo. The letter Z has a t sound, the TS sound. So it's pronounced as marzo. That's marzo. Then we have aprile. This word has 3 syllables. A-pri-le. That's aprile. Maggio. This word has 2 syllables. Ma-gio. The letter G is followed by the letter I, therefore it will have a J sound, like in the word Juliet. So that's maggio. Next we have Junio. The letter G is followed by the letter I, then it will have a J sound. And then in the second syllable, forget about the letter G. This will just signal that this syllable will have a Y sound, like in febbraio. So that's Junio. Junio. Then we have luglio. Again, in this word, forget about the letter G. We have 2 syllables, lul-yo. The I and O in there has the yo sound, luglio. That's luglio. Agosto. This word has 3 syllables. A-gos. That's easy. Agosto. Settembre. We have 3 syllables in this word. Settembre. The letter E is always pronounced softly, so it's e. And then emphasize the double consonant in the letters T. Settembre. That's settembre. Now we have ottobre. This word has 3 syllables. Ottobre. We have a double T again. The letter O is a soft O. And we have a letter R in the last syllable. That should be pronounced hard and rolling. That's ottobre. Ottobre. Next we have Novembre. We have 3 syllables in this word. No, vem, bre. Novembre. And lastly, we have dicembre. This word has 3 syllables. Di, chem, bre. The letter C is followed by the letter E, therefore it will have a ch sound like in the word chamber. So we have dicembre, not dicembre, but dicembre. I suggest that you check our video on the alphabets to familiarize yourself with the correct pronunciation of the letters of the Italian alphabet. So now let's review. Gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you, and click subscribe for more lessons.